So, in today's video, I'm gonna be upgrading the RAM on the HP Victus 15. So, the first thing you should do is find the exact RAM you need. If you have the same model as mine, which is a fb2082wm, I will leave a link in the description for the RAM you need to get for this laptop. If you have a different laptop, there are a few ways to find out what kind of RAM you need. One way is to go to the website and look all over the websites of the manufacturer for the right RAM to buy. Also, if you go to Crucial's website, they make RAM, they have a feature there that lets you scan your computer to find the exact RAM you need for your laptop. So, first thing you should do when starting to upgrade the RAM is flip the laptop and get a set of screwdrivers which can be used with these screws. When you take out the screws, you should line them in a way you would remember their order, because they may be in different sizes and you don't want to lose them. Well, now that you've taken all the screws out, you should start by prying the laptop. Usually I like to start prying from the back, from the corners, because that's the place that it's easiest to pry from. You can use a tool like this, where you can buy from Amazon. I will leave a link for this one. Or you can use a guitar pick, or something else which is durable and flexible and strong. So just start prying the laptop up. Try not to chip the plastic away, like what I did last time I opened the laptop. Okay, and in a second I will finish prying the laptop. Great. Now I have the laptop open. Here's the battery. It's a pretty big battery. Here's the RAM under this heatsink, and here's the NVMe. Sadly, on this model there's no other NVMe that you can add storage from. So if you want to add storage, you need to change the NVMe, which is quite a hard process. Okay, so the first thing that you should do before changing the RAM is disconnecting the battery. The battery connector is right here. Just gently pull it. You don't need to fully disconnect it, but just to make it go away enough so it won't cause any shortages on the board. Okay, great. Now that I have the power out, I can start changing the RAM. I have already changed the RAM, so I'll show you what you should do when you're adding RAM. So to get the RAM out, just need to take these two things, just pull them outwards. It will go up, and then you can just take it away. Same here. So now, when you take a RAM, this is a stock RAM I got with the laptop. It came in one of these slots here. And the way you should put a RAM, I'll put this back in actually, is you need to see that the notch over here goes with the notch on the board. So that's how you know it connects well. So like this. Just slide it in until it goes in like this. from the other side too. Actually, it should be flipped if it doesn't fit inside. And now that you have it like this, just press it down. And now it's connected. Actually, I didn't connect it very good. I should take it out again. Now that you have it inserted in, just pull down. It will automatically close. Same here. The RAM is inside. Now, just put it back. Actually, I need to connect the power back. And put back the heatsink I got. Pretty important things. If you forget those, it won't boot probably. Now just close it softly. I won't put back the screws because I want to test it. Before I put it back, let's see. It's aligned well. Just press it. Everything will go back in. All good. And now the laptop should work. So let's see. Press the on button. As you can see, the light is on, it works. So that's how you change the RAM. Hopefully you won't do the mistakes I just did and put it back well. As you can see, it's on. And just go through it. It will bring you to the home page, and here the laptop works. As you can see, I'll go to the task manager, performance, and if I go to memory, you could see, 1 second, that there is 15.3, which is 16 gigabyte of RAM. Yay! Oh, and by the way, after you put the RAM, don't forget to put back the screws in the correct order. As you take them off, and you try it and you check that the computer works, you'll have a computer with upgraded RAM. Thank you very much for watching. I will be putting out more content like this. I hope you subscribe. See you next video.